Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make collagen drink at home, updated. Combine 1 scoop hydrolyzed collagen with 250 ml warm water, 1 tsp honey, and a squeeze of lemon. Whisk until smooth. Use plant milk or dairy if preferred, and chill for a cool option. I'll share quick tips on flavors and storage, plus a simple sweetener swap so you can customize this nourishing drink easily and enjoy it daily. Gather these essentials: 1 scoop collagen powder, 250 ml water or milk, 1 tsp honey, 1 slice lemon, and a small whisk. Use glass jar or shaker bottle for mixing, and a fine mesh if clumps form. For vegan options, choose marine collagen alternatives or add vitamin C from citrus to boost absorption. I'll explain measurements, taste adjustments, and simple swaps so you can make a tailored collagen drink at home without fuss. If you're enjoying this, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation: socks. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to grab a pair or see my favorites. I'll be back with more tips and a quick recipe tweak after this brief pause. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Start by dissolving collagen powder in a small amount of warm liquid to prevent lumps, then add the rest and whisk vigorously for about 20 seconds. Sweeten lightly with honey or maple syrup and add lemon for brightness or cocoa for richness. If using cold liquids, shake longer or blend briefly. I'll cover texture tuning, flavor layering, and quick adjustments so your homemade collagen drink is smooth, tasty, and ready in minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.